Back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang another Gele tutorial video. So keep your eyes locked onto the screen, keep watching, and we're gonna dive straight into this video. So you want to get your Gele ashoke, and we're gonna create some pleats like so. Okay, so let's do that. So we're gonna do just 3, and then we're gonna make the rest on our head. So like so, place the middle on your nose bridge, like so. Hold one on to your neck, and just do the rest as follows. And then the same thing over here. Ensuring that the middle stays in the middle, try not to shift it. I'm gonna come over here. Cross it nicely. Come over here, not minding what pleats whatsoever. Just cross it over nicely without having to like mistake anything. So like cross it nicely over here, and then I'm gonna come and pin this one down like this, like there, over here. And the same thing with the other one. Grab it. Making sure you're grabbing the end over it. And the same thing, you want to secure it. And now we just nice and neatly fold that in, right? So once that big, so that in and that's in. Because you want it nice and tall, and the other one the same. This is the final look, 360. Final one. This is the end of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I Lizzie Atkins upload new content. Do not forget to leave your questions down below in the comment section. I will be answering everyone's question. It's no robotic channel. It is run by a real human. So myself or my team will be answering your questions in the comment down below. Stay tuned, plenty more videos to come, plenty more tutorial videos. I'll go through the rest. I've made a playlist for all my Gele tutorial lovers, so go ahead and binge watch them. Plenty of styles with explanations for you to try out at home. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am must.